Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make overnight oats. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for joining us today on whatever platform you are watching. Like I said, we're going to be making overnight oats, but the full title of this is Overnight Oats with Cottage Cheese, Seeds, and Nuts and Berries. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of cottage cheese, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of wheat germ, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 3 cups of oats, a half a cup of strawberries, and a half a cup of blueberries. Let's drop down here and start mixing it up. All right, so grab a bowl because you got a lot of ingredients here. And I've got the big purple bowl that I always use for my oats because I make this all the time and eat it. I rotate out 3 weeks. I do this for 1 week, then I do yogurt for 1 week, and then I just eat oatmeal for 1 week for my breakfast. So this is then what we're making here is for 5 days. So you got your rolled oats. Rolled or instant are best. Do not use steel cut. They will not perform as well overnight in soaking up all of this stuff. So then you add your milk right on in there. Your cottage cheese. Go ahead and throw your brown sugar in there if you don't want it, because you're diabetic. Add more cinnamon. Leave the sugar out. You got your, I should have said that, I've got the flaxseed, wheat germ, and chia seeds all in one bowl, a tablespoon per each in this. And then I got my sesame seeds, or sunflower seeds right there. You got your fruit in there next, and your cinnamon. And we're just gonna mix all this up. Most recipes call, when this yield is for 5 days, or for 5 servings, for only a cup and a half of milk, or water, or almond milk, or whatever. But I've added another cup in there because of the flaxseed, the wheat germ, and the chia seeds, because that's going to bulk it up a little bit, and you need a little bit more liquid to help soak up all these oats and the wheat germ. So you basically just cover all this up, smush it down so it's sitting in the milk. Take your lid, Tupperware preferably. There you go. It's ready to go. Overnight in the refrigerator. All right, this is our finished product. Of course, this is not the same bowl or the same mixture. I did this last night, so we would have a finished product, but this is what it looks like when you let it go overnight. It congeals very nice. You can see that the oatmeal has rehydrated into the milk, and you've got a nice consistency here. So I'm going to plate this up, and we're going to take some photos of it, and we're going to come back and give it a taste. Don't go away. Alright, beautiful pictures. Let's give this a taste. I already know what it tastes like. I eat this a lot, like I said earlier. But you got your blueberries in there, nuts, seeds, oatmeal, cottage cheese. You got everything in there, dairy, fruit, fiber. Can't beat this. Yeah. Fiber helps fill you up so you're not hungry later. Fruits and vegetables give you all the vitamins and minerals you need. The seeds and all the oatmeal too gives you the roughage that you'll need to get through your day. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget the recipe for this is in the description box and the first pinned comment. Head over to my seasoning shop over at itsonlyfood.biz and have a look around. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixin' up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.